Make no mistake, Bitcoin's worst nightmare is right here on this chart, right in front of you. And if we do this one simple thing, it could be an absolute bloodbath. And it's going to happen at the end of this year. And I'm going to give you yet another huge chart for you to use at the end of the year to know exactly how this market is going to play out. No more guessing, no more tricks, just facts. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Steve. I show you facts in the charts. No paid ads, no paid sponsorships, just straight facts that really help you. Subscribe. So here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we are on the 2-month chart. On the 2-month chart below, we have the stochastic RSI, our momentum, going from a range of 0 up to a range of 100. And what we notice is we put this yellow line up near 100, and we put our second yellow line up at about 75. And this, we can act as our road. And simply put, whenever the RSI or the stochastic RSI is inside of this road, we're good. We can still have a bull run. We can still go sky high. Things can still be incredible. However, whenever we take a turn and we start rolling over below this road, we're in trouble. Look at what happened back here in 2018. We had our market cycle top and we crashed below this road with both the blue and the orange, and we did it right after the market cycle top. It was a really early warning sign that things were completely over. Tilt your phone to the side and subscribe. Because once we crashed below here, there was still so much hope that we were about to have a run. There was so much hope that your favorite altcoins were about to explode. There was so much hope that we were about to see a pump in the market. But what happened instead? Hundreds and hundreds of days of recovery. Fast forward to the next market cycle, 2021. As soon as we had the blue and the orange turn off that road and turn below here was just after the market cycle top. Keep in mind, back then, everyone thought a new all-time high right around the corner. The market's about to pump. $250,000 Bitcoin, $250,000, $500,000, million, you name it. Everybody was calling for a ridiculous surge in prices. But what happened instead? Hundreds and hundreds of days of bloodbath and recovery. But this little secret chart right here gave you the clue very early. I'm talking simply about the stochastic RSI, fast and slow line, blue and red, below this road. That's it. Simply put, this chart right here could change everything. By the way, remember, the game we're playing is not to overreact to the day-to-day and not to overreact to the week-to-week, but instead to focus on multiple years. If you just simply bought when there's fear in the market and held for several years, you would be ahead of 90% of people in crypto. And at the end of this month, right as the new year rings in and we celebrate together, what I want you to look at is this chart. How does it close? Do we have the orange and the blue below here? If yes, we all know what happens next. If no, this might not be over yet. Trade like a tourist or go with the pros. The FFA is where the real ones go. Link in description.